Paula Patton is a globally recognized as an American-based actress. Due to her unique acting talents, she starred as the female lead within Déјà Vu 2006, Mission Impossible, Ghо'st Protocol 2011, as well as a Gunẓ 2013. Besides, she is also famous for appearing in the critically praised Pursuit 2009. Early life. Paula Patton is the daughter of Joyce and Charles Patton, who gave birth to her in the year 1975 in Los Angeles. Joyce is a school teacher, whereas Charles is a lawyer. The actress's mother is a Caucasian, whereas her father is of African-American origin. Talking about her education, she did graduation from Hamilton High School and later she began studying at the University of California. Barclay moving to the University of Southern California's Fílm Żshool post her first year. Soon after finishing her studies at actress received a 3-month assignment preparing documentaries for PBS. Age, height and weight. Being born on 5 December 1975, Paula Patton is 46-year-old as of today's date, 8th February 2022. Her height is 1.71 meter tall and weight is 57 kg. Career. Paula Patton has a kicked start her career in acting by providing additional vocals for Usher on his album entitled Confusions. Besides, she too offered the female vocal counterpart on a song entitled Can You Handle It, co-written by Robin Thicke, the person whom she would marry later. Awards and achievements. In the year 2007, Paula Patton won Black Reel Award as a Best Supporting Actress and also won the Boston Society of Film Critics Award for her work in Pursuit. Net worth and salary. As of February 2022, Paula Patton has a net worth amounting to $12 million. The era of the 2000s proved to be successful for this actress as she earned well and also gained experience for performing different roles. Initially, she began preparing documentaries for PBS after graduating from college. After that, she earned well by producing a series entitled Medical Diaries for the Discovery Health Channel. The actress started acting during that year 2005, acting in one supporting role within a movie entitled Hitch. Getting enough experience, she wanted to act in a series of high-profile films in gradually bigger roles, containing projects like London as well as Idlewild. Paula Patton is the example of a hard-working and successful actress, constantly working in her career since her debut. Neglecting the downfalls, she kept on giving her best acting performance, which became the inspiration for new actresses.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.